What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today is not a simple DIY video, and it is on the Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart. So we're still here in the family house. What we'll be doing is installing some LED fender lights. Mitsubishi Lancer previously had the same fenders, but right now we do have an aftermarket fender that's wider. So just to show you guys the fender, this is the OEM fender. If you notice right here, it is a light. It's a halogen light, and we'll be replacing it with these new LEDs. I believe they are sequential. Should look pretty nice. I got the clear ones. Some guys like the smoked ones. I prefer clear. So super easy install. You could do this on any Mitsubishi Lancer or Evo 10. Whenever you signal, or if you have the emergency hazards on, it blinks like that. So just a nice blink. Previously on my Mitsubishi Lancer, when we had the stock fenders, that was a 2015. The fender had something like that, but it did not have the light. It's just this piece right here. So yeah, I always found this pretty cool. I think on some of the earlier model Lancers, like this Ralliart, this is 2010, we have this nice little amber light on the fender. So let's go ahead and switch it out. Super easy DIY install. So super easy install, so no tools are needed. To remove this light, all you gotta do is slide it to the right. So just slide it like so, a little bit of pressure. And once you slide it, you can pretty much pry it out. Okay, and once you have it out, it's just held in pretty much by these clips over here. You want to go ahead and disconnect it. It's just a nice little clip over here. So all you gotta do is click on this black part, press it, and slip it right out. So it comes right off, super easy. And with the new LED side markers, you want to make sure you match up. Make sure the same side. These are meant specifically for the Ralliart. Like I said, I went with the clear. You can go with the smoke tinted look. I like the clear look. Here's a little comparison of both of them side by side. And like I said, this one does have a nice little film here. Let me peel that off. The protection film. And you're just gonna go ahead and plug it in. And bam, there we have it. Super easy install. So here is how it looks, stock versus off the market. And now let's go ahead and switch it on, see how it looks. Okay, so everything is all connected, good to go. Let's have a little test. Let's open the door, see how it looks. Nice little sequentials. And right now, let's go ahead and do the same hazard light test. Very nice. So it's kind of like a sequential loading. If I come around over here to see the other side, this is how it looks, just blinking. Very cool. Do you guys like that? Or do you guys like the sequential look better? I think this looks so cool. Alright, and I'm over here on the passenger side, so let's go ahead and knock this out. Super easy install. Alright, and just like that, we have the passenger side done. Super easy install. Let's go ahead and see if it works. I'm gonna unlock the car. Very nice. Alright, so with the sequential sight marker LEDs for the fenders put on, super nice and easy install. Like I said, you don't need any tools at all, and you guys saw it from the outside, looks nice and clean. I know some guys like the smoked out look, but I think on this car, since it's all silver, I think, you know, the clear looked pretty clean and nice. So in terms of outside mods, we'll probably be installing the headlights pretty soon. I do have some headlights for it. We'll be basically putting on new headlights on the Mitsubishi Lancer show build, and those old headlights will be going on the Ralliart, so should look pretty aggressive. We also do have custom license plates coming up. It's probably the next install you guys will see, custom plates with license plate frame. So slowly but surely the Ralliart is coming along. If you guys stayed to the end, make sure to leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.